omukuru ngwensi koso bigo storage rizo bwabo tuboyi kaze ibintu byanga wabatsewe we
nabagamba ntize ndamikora
chikumani asabona kurondo ndewe no nyijiro ringo enzura ringo rkwita enzura
temdamu katono nyezachi
yonare botashemererwa mu ibintu
nimba kankubuze katonjaga zachi
yonare botashemererwa se
kira bikakatumu oryomu kubakora chi kubandemesa
busaba tinkuremesa
kubakora chi kubandemesa turuwano turumazika turuwano turumiranga turuwano ibintu byatsobede dakatojote kabuga kamera
kandi habochi sebo habochi buzima
katonja gazachi
ati yora gansheka nyon nashango nyijire toka nyigoga kuyozarwa yiwe
because kati tubade tusubira ntorwa rero gwanga mujeko nachi egenda kubawo wastegera neka kati mufutukeyo naka kamera kamwe temusoka kubuza what is the problem katugonteka muga kamera go nganze bani abagize ba Dr. Jose Chameleon ngaturumunako
mama nyabo abahochi kandi sebo habochi
I'm not happy anymore what are going to do because we have seen that the stage for Dr. Jose Chameleon it has fallen down now why there's those people who have sent that rain. It's not around
to gravity
those gravities omutujju because you know gravity omutujju for time long has been coming out saying that he is not going to give who Dr. Jose Chameleon the drop. I think so takatorwa rero bageze ne barabana bagamba how can we make this person the East African commander in music Dr. Jose Chameleon, how can we make him fail? You get my point? So they have corrupted, they have called the bakubideka tonda baizawanga bakubideka tonda namugamba you know God send the rain.
Ati no masa stage yona yaguhasi.
The stage has been down. Some people have got injuries. What is this to nyo?
Hati nyona ashango nyijire na atachenjere buzima.
I've been with Chameleon for almost all because he's going to celebrate miaka 25 wastegera kati all wrong. I've been moving with Dr. Jose Chameleon everywhere from Royal Island. We have been there. You get my point? So we feel so disappointed.
Ati twazagaruza ho kimunywani
but
ati cyaruga ikizibu cyari twakibuzima
now katobuzu buvude nkubegeze ne kwaki ne tonyanga nyinji kati nkubabwe tonye katono Steve Jeans kati yabada kwasanya stage kati ebarete nabakwaki tenabakugwa bulungi ebarete nakugwa bulungi kakati ne enkubabweze kati ngamuruma kaki akabuyaga kati zi stage ne twaki nezigwa wasitagere kintu echo kati juzi Spice Dana ya
aza concert yabre azo mweji wa Steve Jean we yakorije Spice Diana concert
kakati twebuza kakati watchite bonati tubagasa manye Steve Jean noyo yakora gici ya Spice Dana
stage birebonire.
But what I can say Dr. Jose Chameleon now you should all have prayed.
Nakumaba muzika China kariyo yumbarara
abata inokusoka nakwachi nasaba wastegera akataba mubanga bayine bintu baba I'm going to do it without you, with your power you cannot do what you cannot do.
Tora chikora buzima
you at first in the morning you wake up you pray, in the afternoon you wake up pray, then like at sawa ngamunana yabade inokwachi okurikana kwachi nasaba. Dr. Chameleon ari mumaziga ari mukwachi ari mukaba
arona arabuza
bo wizo bona bari mukaba kwa mkatinze nkubide wizo nimbuza chichi bade kwanga zinja katika saa wenu mbade ku ground ngaba wizo tabakwachi tabana bakujja bakora saa bona tabana kwachi tabana bakujja wistegera kati biryawo bitusobide simanyi because we had put like 400,000 million
umugwanga muje yanyeje
because today Friday it was supposed to be in
Kampala ne kubarugo iye cricket over.
But those people behind that now Gravity omutujju is celebrating
mukama yakora no mutujju gravity no mutujju
Gravity omutujju is not his boyfriend. Gravity omutujju now is celebrating.
Atero bakare mira Spice Diana ati yashaba mukama tugwanga muje mwenu gwanga tebuja.
Let me tell you one thing that you don't know in music. Kata abantu ngabo ebi bibakora ki bibaga kata Chameleon akoze atya afairinze. But what you should know is that Chameleon is a superstar. Believe it or what not. Chameleon is a super what?
John superstar yonyine.
Even if the show the band stage has failed, the band has fallen down, Chameleon will remain a superstar. Gravity omutujju and other whatever who have been on the neck. We shall not do what? That man is a superstar.
Ntugaruka mujyara hati.
Now, because I've talked to Dr. Jose Chameleon.
No,
management, what can we do at this moment? What can we do? I've called Dr. Jose Chameleon. We have connected with all the managers. We have decided that on 24th.
This
month very month. Today is 10th, then 24th. You get my point? So we do what? We do Gwanga Muje. Because there are some people who are tickets. They will have said that if you had bought your ticket, stay with it. You get my point? Because there are some people who just want to fail us and we cannot accept it. Dr. Jose Chameleon has done it for almost 25 years. Just within one day, how can it be? But what I can tell Dr. Jose Chameleon, he's going to be in Imbarara tomorrow. You get? Tomorrow he's going to be in Imbarara. University in. What he has to do, because that one we have not concluded yet. We have not come out say that in Imbarara we are not coming. Ebya Gravity they have ganye. Imbarara tugana kwachi?
Stere.
Kubera yo because Imbarara abantu bona bamaze kwetegeka bulungi and this katende nkube bwebange genze Imbarara. Gravity omutujju kwera nagisindika yo.
Twireka China.
Twagatu kurama geza kate sawa zine zigade tukubira bembarara. Tubagambe kate what you should do now. But can we get someone who can like kujukwata kwatamu?
Kachina rohukana na senumsha wakabgo hari.
So, but Kachina doesn't know how to do it.
Una abamanya.
Katugena kunonya MC Kachina turabe nabararawo. But what I can tell you, because like Spice Diana has a successful concert at Cricket. Gravity omutujju had a successful concert there.
Winnie
Nwaji had a successful concert there. Why Dr. Jose Chameleon?
Ajitware kororo yana enda kari.
Why Dr. Jose Chameleon among all? You know, some people are blaming now that he went to Akajena.
Aronde kokoza waba.
We visited those government officials, but they prayed but that's not the matter. The matter is there is someone behind Dr. Jose Chameleon. I'm telling you. Ngatakwachi, ngatamwagarza. Na ye, let me tell you, omuntu yakusinze yabakachi, yakusinze.
Bakushigire na bakushigire.
Yakusinze abakachi, abakusinze. That's what I've been telling you. Ntalaki doctor like this Gravity omutujju. And I mean Big Eye and education what happened. Okuvana nakwachi na mwogerera amafukure nti taina chasobora nta yeyagariza. Na ye, Dr. Gondo na ye Kenzo. Namba takorachi tabugaba because turabanga yaberane nganere for almost good times but waro yade kwachi we am introducing some yeah that this is the biggest big lady is singing Gravity omutujju gondani Eddie Kenzo always give out to the what
ujo mai nembera ze manya sini I nembera ze
contact to people, you connect other people. Connect other people to
abamwe nikibarema.
Why?
Umuntu men yo mana inembera ziza kubara mukana cyakora kubi.
I'm so
annoyed.
Katsimanya tugena kuzako.
Hata no kurare. Kani mantini ho ndakurara.
Bade netegese nakubida abana bona bakora ki bagende bakavaringa ibintu bona babere wawo because we had got tickets. Tickets me I paid for 400 people.
For government official money.
Neba sasurira bakora ki bagende show. Na ye that's not the end. Sobra kubanga akora ki.
Nibwo twatandika.
Tatafa cheda.
Nareba nicura ro kugira ngo gwanga de muje.
Gwanga mukore muje. come 24th
February
this month, very much, we are going to do, and I'm going to tell Dr.
Hati Jose rinka heze sha.
Dr. Jose. Now Doctor is at home. He's sleeping.
Takubichenga.
He's sleeping because I've been with him. He has been
pressurized. Kanze kubyama.
Pressure negration ne mukuba remwa no.
Omunene takoga tageja.
Baba kama tigundi gravity omutujju how can omutujju? Didn't you see omutujju?
Abona barkarida. Echache chikaraboye.
He can cry because and even Dr. Jose Chameleon, because you know when you're expecting something, and it fails, because you feel like with the man.
Chameleon abire nasi wo mu drive konka busha barkwetu nzaza tickets ze.
Bibina kozechi because but we cannot give up. All of you are watching us.
Ejorani history.
All of you are watching. Where is the camera? I want to look in the camera.
Rebamu.
Those who are watching us, please don't give up. Anytime we are coming, we are going to do it, and Dr. Jose Chameleon must remain a superstar.
Hakuchitera mpaka hati nyuma mbirendeba yo kacece nyuma zo tu wamureba yo kacece.
Now you know my friend MC Kacece has been at the ground. Abata maze kutuka wo kakata tuka wa afite microphone testing microphone 1 2 microphone
barabo hai
kate omkoje omzi
chamutera
kata ujasa unye buhunye kata mzindaro ne kuva group bepa because I had to have a microphone. Microphone change my MC Kacece stop from Barara. He's testing what?
Microphone.
Cut now. Nkuma ne kwachi ne tonyanga nyinji. You get my point. Kata MC Kacece. Kata usime wakozechi wagenze.
Kacece no asero na makwiruka.
Obara bikagenza umuma wa Alex Muhanji. So that is because there is this kata vibes. You know the kata vibes.
Nabarwamparabo muri.
They have a new song with
Alex
Muhanji. It's called Action. They had come. Alex Muhanji had brought to them that they do what?
They
perform that song. But no sooner had they reached at the scene than the rain
started. And understand.
By the way, you see me, I'm rough, but I'm not okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in a hub. Let me go to the hub. What do they do in the hub?
I
don't have. Never say it again. Never say. By the way, who are you? And I'm going to chase you. Never put that camera in me.
Ejo camera tite kurumbuza majasina ni kwato bunyasi nyase nache nachikonka.
Cut now. There are some people now as artists there they are jubilating but was kat Chameleon as a fairody. They wait tomorrow. I'm telling you the fact. Wait for tomorrow. It will be massive at university. And if you are not, I'm going to touch in that camera.
Otaka kwata musebo. Otaza musebo.
Never disturb us.
Tindi kubasa.
Dr. Jose Chameleon have been with him for almost that years.
Kanu mukuzire kumwe.
And we have been together. I've moved with
Kanu mwena mushwana tekoga tageja munene.
I've moved with Dr. Jose Chameleon. Now can I call Dr. Jose Chameleon?
Mutere.
Can I call him?
Mutere.
Can I call him? No.
Wajirabya misebo. Wajabya.
Can I call him?
Nabonyijire ninkure buzima.
Katuzo call Chameleon ne mugama ne mubuze kibuzo.
No mubuza ki.
Never joke with us.
Gwanga buje bize.
Omuntu yera kataru behind that. If let me tell you one thing. We are going to lay strategies. If we find like we have our someone akore bintu byafe.
Mama fina yari kiko kabuze bakarimwana wa Chameleon.
Ni mama fina wabadiruda na yozubu. Dr. Chameleon yakoze ki? Teba tukire ndamugamba. Nemba Chameleon because me I don't believe in those people. I love them but I don't want it. I said no Chameleon. What you should do? First pray. You first pray. Wani?
Wabujingo.
He's busy, very busy. He's very busy with his what?
Yes.
He's very busy with it's one who was saying it. But the music of Uganda must go on. You get? Must go what?
Must go on. Gumza mo mission. Echitaka kumara mama.
You don't want to know. You get my point? You don't want to know. We have to move.
Just stage koko kabako yana kujizo. Yana kujirva tawe nkeka gwa.
That's what I'm telling you. But why do Dr. Jose Chameleon bring an incompetent stage builder.
Kandi ko tura nawe.
No, I told him. No. Bring people who can.
Abahina abantu bagira ngo cyatumira yatero wa boda. Another problem.
No, let me tell you one thing. In the world, are you still recording or you have done? No, you don't record me. So this is out of what? Out of camera. Now, in the world, the world by the pays. If you do things when you like but there is where how God punishes.
Chameleon nakiyabire naro ya hurumwa uje nguremba ko fire.
But then he had come in public and repent, but he takolesi they have na kwachi na bikora na yeah, that don't mean that we don't have to do it. We are going to do it. Dr. Jose Chameleon is a big artist and he will remain big. We yesterday to against na gundi bebe cool
stage bafu testing ubana
netukanezira haso
haza nakabagikorira mu biro bishatu bagatandika rwo kubanza kuka
there is someone who has sent that
wind enjure
katwaro umuntu send at me
atkani uri kubamanya kamera nagiyeho
me I know that person and I'm going to tell Dr. Jose Chameleon that we know that person and you person we are not going to leave you alone. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Mayanja family.
How can you family Mayanja family? Do you know Mayanja family? Do you know Dr. Jose Chameleon? Do you know Wizo? Do you know Paraso? Do you know other girls whom we don't want to
Konka bwencho tamugambira kazamerika kiyo stage ngijo. Kaya Spice Diane.
By the Spice Diane but Roger. Manager Roger. We reached to him. Come on, manager Roger. Why don't you give us where the contact? That's a problem. They don't want to share the contacts.
Armechkono. Tokwenda uri asingoriya.
But we have to go on.
Gwanga mujemano yabo umuntu wo man wo kubanza stage yo kwiramo.
It's down now, but we shall not.
Tina bantu kubaba kweli.
Okay, warubarara bafunyemo busangu katinze stage enkonye ko wanu katonda.
Ego uri mudusori waseno.
Enkofira neva katonda nene tukabisi.
Uri rukiyo se. Sana wari nakachesi.
Renga basigena kugiriza. Gena masoji tsambuji. Wesegere buteko. So embarara uraba. Side Zembara Day. Wale baita Mbarara Festival. Mbarara Festival enakuzomwezi zonga ameka nga kuromka ga tomorrow romkaga.
Njakare biri 11.
Kazempaka wagena kwa motoka zempaka. Boma grounds kati abantu bona bavuge after bo tuva mu motoka zempaka ku boma grounds zo kwingira mutwaro gumu. Fena tugenda bagende ku university
ine. Muza chitere buzima. Aza akebwa kana afitandikira mbara bya Kampala abaherero kakakizo ko kuyakoze.
That's a problem. We've been talking about that problem. You get? Like those people of Kampala, they tend to take a Kampala as whatever.
The capital state manya kandi kaniwo kanoche manya.
Like we had talked about that problem. Kati nebagana nebayimbereri. Katora basinga katorware Chameleon yayimbye na yimbireri na leta ba paraso na leta bantu bona katembara yakozi tyane batuteyo katebyo na ba fans babera basaba ne bakoromera bana baki ne bakoromera bana abayimbi kati let me tell you the foiling of Dr. Chameleon's stage it is not one man's harm.
Man, government people,
all people. Like for example, that border man, he has a contribution.
Gravity.
Omutujju has a contribution, and there are some other artists
behind
who are silent majority, but they don't show.
Do Chameleon no go na reva.
You get my point. That's me. I want to tell you because I've stayed long with Dr. Jose Chameleon. And I know all his wadi ngabweyisa manyi wa byarya manyi byanywa kati kusabone nso kugamba wari ndikiro gantu after pressure hari mukunywa mukantuke kati muntu agama
ninga ijambara kibyanga Kampala
the pressure he has now that is rock musobosa kujambara kusawe nene agenda kuja side ngenchaka kawongezawo ne but what he has to do you know
atabeshongo zabire barugire Nigeria.
Let me tell you one thing at times if you want to record me, go away.
Anabireka nareka kare just no mu rugo
Let me
aho.
tell you, for those the artists, the problem they have, they say when they're in Kampala, it's Kampala what? Have you seen now the stage has fallen? The show has been what? Postponed. Now he's going to go to what?